Today we are making Random.Next. I showed you how to roll virtual dice with Random.Next and how to create tiny decimals with Random.NextDouble. Step by step, while I type the code live, stick around. By the end, you are know how to make dice scale decimals to any range and avoid editing mistakes that break Random.Next. Let's go and head to place. Please, what is random? Think of it like a magic hat. Gives surprise incision. Use random to pull two surprise and create one now. Random equal new random parentheses and finally semicolon. That's the new part. We make a fresh magic hat. I write int number 1 equal Random.Next. Here I use next parentheses. I'm going to count 1 to 10. Finally, console.writeLine number 1. And now I add another variable, int number 1, number 2. I write the same, but I modify. I write the same. Works. It gives me a random number incision. Also, I need another example using float. Before to use float, I need to say something. Don't recreate new random parentheses inside type groups. You can get repeat patterns. Make one random and reuse it. I don't use float. Instead of use float, use double. Fraction equal Random.NextDouble. And finally, console.writeLine. I use the dollar sign random fraction open curly bracket and write fraction colon and F4 and close curly bracket. It gives a number with decimals. And you see that next double parenthesis gives a decimal between 0.0 and 1.0, but 1.0 not include. You can scale it, multiply by 100 to get 0 to 100, or shift it to any range you want. This works. This give me ending 6. This 50. Run it a few times. Watch how the dice and decimals change. That's Random.Next in action. If you like this tiny trick, try changing range and share what you will. Smash that like button and subscribe for more content in C#.